All right, you're in the game, you're in the business. You might have no experience or very little experience. The next thing you want to do to really go out there and find investors and meet people, go to meetings, get plugged in, go to your local REIA meetings, go to meetup meetings, find people that are doing what you want to do. Find the investors, find where they're hanging out at, and just go to the meetings and plug in. A lot of them are free. You can go, hang out, shake hands, find out what people are struggling with, find out what people are doing well, and just be in that environment, because I can promise you, doing real estate is such a unique business that not a lot of people are going to understand what you're going through and the feels that you have when they're not in real estate, when they're an accountant, or when they are doing anything else. So being plugged in the community and trying to find 2 or 3 things a week to dive into is huge, especially when morale's low, things are going slow, you're getting going, and you can plug in with people that can kind of re-energize you every single time whenever you need it. In addition to these meetings, you can have a property for sale, and it's a great place to set up packets, hand out flyers for properties that you have available to sell that you can offer to different investors. I was at a meeting one night, and the meeting honestly changed my life. I met what became, and to this day is one of my best hard money lenders. He lends me money all the time, gives me deals from different people, and that relationship right there is worth millions of dollars. All because on a Thursday night, I went out to go hang out at a table by myself and around a bunch of investors and talking to people when other people were out doing whatever they were doing. So in order to have the life that other people won't, you need to do what other people will not and knock it out. So you can do it. Get plugged in, get in the community, get around those people, get in the groups. If you're ever feeling down, get in our group, hit us up, message us. We know what you're going through, and we are here to help every step of the way.